Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy feature in iOS 18 that can make your life a whole lot easier. Automatic messaging with Siri. This lets you send messages hands-free, which is perfect for when you're driving, cooking, or just generally busy. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to make sure you're running iOS 18 or later. The steps we demonstrate in this video are exclusive to the newer iOS versions, so double-check your software is up to date. Once you've got that covered, let's head over to the Settings app. Just tap on the icon and we'll get started. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Siri. Tap on that. Here we are in the Siri settings. Now, look for Messaging with Siri. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll see the key setting we're looking for. It's called Automatically Send Messages. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. Simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Now, you can send and receive messages completely hands-free using voice commands. This is incredibly convenient and, more importantly, much safer when you're driving or multitasking. Just imagine being able to tell Siri to text someone without taking your hands off the wheel. This setting applies when your iPhone is connected to headphones or CarPlay. And that's all there is to it. Enabling automatic messaging with Siri is a simple but powerful way to improve your messaging experience on your iPhone. So, give it a try and let me know in the comments how you're liking this feature. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more iOS tips and tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching and have a great day.